Good evening, Sister Anne.
Good evening, Pastor Dippo.
Sister Anne, you know better than that, and you know his father.
How you doing?
I'm good, Sister Anne.
Raj, hold on. Raj, bring a chair for Father Dippo, please.
You know, I have some good news and I have some bad news.
Sorry.
Um,
Afternoon, Pastor Dippo.
Thank you, young man. Sister Anne, I have some good news and some bad news. Um, when I went to Chilani and I was in the convention, I parked the bus outside, and when I come back, I saw the empty spot. Them steal the bus.
What are you really saying to me, Pastor?
No. Father. But what I'm saying is, them steal the bus. And when I went down to the Chilani police station and file a report, it took so long. The police there, my God, it took so long. Sister Anne, it's ridiculous the amount of things you have to go through just to make a report by the station.
Don't worry yourself. The bus fully comprehensive, don't? So you don't have to worry yourself. Don't it fully comprehensive with the insurance?
Unfortunately, it's not comprehensive. No, it's registered in a third party, so I won't be getting a dime for it.
I think you have better sense than that. You don't know say anything in a third party do not work, especially in Jamaica. You ever see no third party win no election here? So how comes you make that a silly mistake?
But it's not my fault, because the insurance lady did not outline that to me. When I was down there, I thought she mean third party. I would get something or something.
So you give me the bad news. So what is the good news?
Oh, this is a good thing you remind me. I'll get the opportunity to move on to a bigger church. The branch in Roaring River there. Yes, I'm getting that church now. So that's where I'll be heading. So that's one of the reasons I come to you too. So because Deacon Vassal is the one who's going to take over, and so maybe while I'm gone, you can take Deacon Vassal's spot.
So you really decided to move, to make up your mind completely?
To be honest, Sister Anne, I'm really, really gonna miss you guys down by the church there. I really do, but I think this is what the Lord wants for me. Because there is something about that community where the Lord is telling me to go there and bring back the love in the community. You understand? As a man of my stature and pedigree, I think I deserve a bigger congregation. So I think it's best I take on this new opportunity. But
Freeze somebody milk your time. The dog was barking earlier on, But anyway, now get into that then. Because your status is very...
well, you always have you always have something, Sister Anne.
Sometimes you have to be humorous, then look away there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, man. But anyways, I'll be running, I'll be running, so I'll see you. So what you could do, since I'm going away, right? Deacon Vassal will be taking the pastorate position. So you could probably take the deaconess position from Vassal.
Everybody have their role to play, and Deacon Vassal position is not my position. All right? I know where I stand.
Well, as I said before, take care of yourself. Don't worry yourself. I'm going to run, that's it. So, I'll see you.
One more thing before you leave. You see the chair them that you did bring to the church that you take off your veranda.
Mm-hmm.
I think when you're leaving, you should take them back with you.
Oh no, sir, that I won't be taking anything. That's not my character, you know. I won't be taking anything.
And you see the guitar that Deacon Vassal is playing. I know it is your guitar.
Huh?
You should take back that guitar because Deacon Vassal own up the guitar and I act like it is his own.
All right, Sister Ann. Feel free to just come and visit me any one of the Sundays. All right.
All
So
right.
I'll see you, and it was
Okay.
nice seeing you again. All right.
All right. Take care of yourself.
Yes, man. Take care. And remember, if you tell your boy that I leave. So you and
Well, the long way I go. Oh, no, to come to your church. A long time you feel us. The long way I go. Oh.
Sister Baker?
Oi there.
Sister Baker?
Yes, Brother Bacchus?
Oh, wait. You not change it?
Me just reach home.
If you just reach home because I was at church now, I was looking for you. And then them tell me say you're gone.
You know I have to prepare my Sunday dinner.
Yes, I know that's why did I look for your Sister Baker. Because I want to tell you say I never cook nothing in the yard there. And I want to know if I could get little bit from you.
Yes, you know, cause me just take off the pot off of the stove.
So invite me in, no man.
So come in, no man.
Sure.
You can take a seat on the step.
Yes. Aye. Yes.
So you say, Sister Baker, did you like the service today?
It was a lovely service.
Yes, man. Me I tell you, man. All one time, Sister Pauline, me I tell you, man, how she did that getting us.
Can I tell you, and you know, sir, you didn't forgive Pastor Rule, Pastor Dacus, because they can preach.
No, me can't preach, man, but you don't know how them they turn up ahead already, man. You see, because me never go Bible college, and that's why, you know. But remember, that is another reason why me actually come down here, Sister Baker. The new pastor is on his way.
So we get a new pastor again?
Yes, sister. We're getting a new pastor. And the new pastor, you see, why you show him the ropes? Because what going to happen, you know? You see, what me I go plan for do, me I go make him put you in the role where you become the secretary.
Oh, so basically I'm getting a position in the church.
Yes, sister. Me I make you get the role to take care of the money part.
The treasurer.
Right, sure. So you are going to handle the money. It's when you collect in the whole of the offering when God give you bless you with. You don't know what to do already. Just share it even and bless. Yeah?
Ah, boy, Brother Dacus, you sure that's safe?
Don't worry about that, Sister Baker, man.
What do you mean? Don't you worry.
You know, man. My spot secured. Me are the deacon in the church, you know. My thing big. And you know me, I try to get a little space for. So you can come in and secure your little spot right with this. So nobody worry about nothing else, man. Just deal with it if you deal with and cut the thing right. And everybody will alright. But enough about that. What going for the food?
The food, me tell us the food finish, me take care of the stove.
So here. So after the food and we done eat and we full with belly and we laugh a little bit.
We can have little service.
I never did. Somebody a plan for going because what you know, I did that one that I could have wash off a little bit. And then you don't know we do a nice little thing there.
Easy yourself, man, Brother Dacus. You know, look at the nice lovely service we have in church today. What are you talking about?
That don't have nothing to do with this service, because you don't know we is human. And we have little, well, so we need that. Blessings, little blessings.
Ah, boy. You're putting me on the spot, you know.
Putting you on the spot. When no matter two talk about it, here what? You see, Sister Priscilla, she is a very, very good singer, you know. And I want you to invite her. I'm going to invite her to church because I want Pastor to get her baptized. She seemed very interested. She has a beautiful voice, and I want her to come on the church choir. So you see, anytime you see her, just lay it in her heart and tell her, say, the Father has given you a word.
Always.
Encourage her to come in the church. All right?
I will.
All right. Here what? One go look on the pack there and share to look for food till me come. Go and sit down here so little bit.
All right. Me a come.
Yes. Me nah go too telling no lies still, you know. Sister Baker no too can cook so wonderful, you know. But here what? Me can't do no better. By the time me figure Sister Mary yard or Sister James yard down there, so if we done. So what am I supposed to do? Work with the one look of food that I can eat and full my look belly. Loss. And that alone me I go get. You don't know what me I talk about. Yes, you don't know. Yes, man. And then, you know what me don't like about them church sisters and brothers in this church? You know, say, Sister Baker wear the one dress. And the whole of them have problem with it. Me not no problem with it, you know. It smell good, it no smell bad. But everybody have a problem. Say the one black dress shall wear come to church every single day. Why they not have nothing else to chat about it?
So I love the flowers here, you see, Brother Deacon.
Fern. And a fern that?
No, Brother Deacon, you know, so a long time my mother planted, you know. You see, I grew up in a tree, look, very nice.
Well, I hope it go in a tree, you know, like a one parasite.
This parasite, I love it, man.
Yeah,
But you know, say, in a garden, you have all different type of flowers. Some you can't touch and some you can't touch. You know. Some you can't hold up, and you can't to feel up this, you know, because maca, you maca. And you see, pretty.
Yeah. And that means say anything we pretty so, you know, man, have some consequence. Nothing pretty stuff for nothing.
Yeah,
You know, nature, anything too pretty, a problem.
See there, look on it, see a little prickle and me prickle. You see prickle?
Yeah, man.
We Jamaican call it maca, you see it? And you have some with beautiful with bloom, but this one ain't bloom.
Oh.
And you know, say some sitting poisonous.
Yeah, man.
Some rose poisonous and some pretty and everything glitter gold.
No, man, I know that,
So
man.
you know, say. You know, say. I'm glad you can't check me.
Oh, go ahead.
I'm glad you can't check me. You know, say, I'm dressed up. Are you ready? I can't check you. I walk in and say, I sweat. I say, Deacon Vassal. I hear something, you know. And then say, here, say, Kiangala. But look here. You see, Father Dippo, a whole person in man at me here say man a go on you know.
You are hear that now?
Don't laugh.
Oh, go on talk, because
Don't
trust
laugh.
me.
The man, me hear say the man a plan for take things them out of the church and go farm one church for himself.
Yeah.
You
Oh,
know,
yeah, sir.
you know, I first I hear them argument.
Kind of hear like sitting through the grapevine, but why, you know, it's hard to believe, man. It's hard to believe, because that man that just want to, I just not feel saying I do all and something, because him too righteous, man, and everything, boy, you know, in a church, he belong to the church and whatever and so forth. I don't think he would have done something. No. I not think,
You're not thinking you
no,
know
I don't think so.
Well, they say believe kill and believe cure. This I not hear me here say. Because other day a man check me. A man and we have a little conversation. A man say everything in our church belongs to him. Because when him a jump and prance and start preach, him a preach, I work.
So hold on there. But everything where is there is collection money, do everything. So how him figure claims nothing? Him can't claim nothing. Everything in there is his collection money. I'm sure that buy it. So how comes he come by that him own them stuff? That don't make no sense to me.
Him man say him a work. He said when him in there, I jump up and I go on and I carry and he say him a work. Brother Vassal,
Yeah.
I say me glad him a left, you know.
You're glad?
Me glad him a left. Cause a long time You are deacon in a church, long time. And you me not see which part you're elevating, just have your right there, so. And sometimes you have your like say, you're usher boy. Be glad him a leave.
Well, you know, now you put it away there still, no, because you really look on it, you know, man, a long time, even before he come there, no. And me in charge of that and whatever, you know, but him just come and, you know, and over me and actually attack. For real, for real.
Ah, him a hold it down in our church. Him. But only one thing me I tell you, say, we have to watch him. Because if him fi take everything out of our church, I forgot to sit on. The floor.
Why everything where you say, you know, it makes sense, but why it's just hard to see him as the person, but you know, we have to go really see what go on, because you know, things are missing out of the church still and so forth. But we don't know, it's just kinda hard to go pinpoint and say whatever.
You know what happened?
Yeah.
Hurry up and go back to your yard. Because me know say your yard in front of the church. So if father come to take anything, you can see him and stop him. Stand guard, watch him. Watch out for him.
Well, I don't know, but if in that man I make them move is a very, very, very crafty man. But I'll keep an eye out still, because there's no me live right in front of the church.
Look here. The Bible say the arms of flesh will fail you. You dare not trust your one. Me not trust him, man. You hear me say? And number one, and if you think I don't remember which verse and which chapter, it is written in the same Bible. Say you mustn't call no man father upon earth. And him just come round, you can't even, if you ever make a mistake and say, Dipper, he said, no, put on my title. Give me my title of father, my name. I want to know how much pitney you have. God is my father, so me say, take time and go on back to your yard. And go watch out for him. Me say, watch out for him. You know?
All right, sister Ann, to be honest with you, I go do that. You know, me's a humble man and him suckle and so forth, but I go do what I say.
Remember, say Bible say, if you watch out for the false prophet them, and the false preacher them, and the false teacher them. You hear me, I tell you? All right. Me depend my P and my Q. And me use discernment. And discerning, or discern what you want to call it, discern whatever, discern. So listen to me. All me I tell you say, go on back to your yard.
All right.
Look out for him.
Me I go do all that, but you know me already say, me's a man who not just jump and, you know, but, you know, you humble me. Me I go just watch and see what go on. You know, because you know me's a man who true to me word and how me stay and how me live in a church. So, you know me humble already.
Me know you a long time, you know. And me know what you're capable of doing. You understand? Me don't know this, and you know the next thing too. You see bus, when you say they thief church bus, me hear say no go so a Clarendon, he heavy and him thiefy,
What you say?
have a church school picnic.
A joke you make.
And I preach to you, you know. I tell you, see how me sweat with underneath the church, you see?
The bus, that the church bus, you say you hear it there, Clarendon, a carry school picnic?
A bus not missing.
Yes.
And when you say about the bus?
Says,
Me here saw him thief the bus. And telling us that him thief from the church. And he there Clarendon, a carry school picnic.
wow, this is very serious.
And he charge it, and a free ma carry picnic them fine. The parents them have to pay him weekly.
This is very serious.
Okay.
All right, Sister Ann, anyway, I'll just keep an eye out. I keep an eye out here. All right?
All right.
So I'll see you, I don't know, in church. So, you know, let's just pray about it. All right?
Me I pray.
All right,
Because
sis.
God I got expose him. God must expose him. Take time, go on.
All right.
Me I pray for
All
God
right, Sister Ann,
expose the
I
truth
will follow up. All right, that is between us though. Okay?
Yes, the truth must come alive.
All right, that is between us. Father Dipo, hold on, Father Dipo, seriously? You take a chair, Guitar? Where you go, Virgin? Where you go with them things there?
After all, Deacon Boss, why you coming at me like that?
What do you mean I'm coming? They cannot be taking out the things from the church, Virgin. And other things. Yeah? It belongs to the church.
These belongs to the church. These belongs to me. I bought these personally out my pocket, Deacon. Don't you rank yourself with me, man.
Listen, man. Whatever you're taking, me sure say it belongs to the church, Virgin.
Listen, this is my guitar. This guitar is my guitar. These two chairs, me take them out from a veranda and come to the church as a little donation. I know that's me. I go move. Me have to take my chair with me.
You sure say you heard them?
These two chairs belongs to me. Look.
You want to bet a
Father,
collection money by them, yeah? You want to go and show us a collection money by anyway. Apart from this, other stuff in there I take out. You see, like how you're Jim Screechy right now when I go out and nobody not see you come out with the stuff them. Hold on there. Me go tell you, say, right now, say, certain things with the bus and certain things where you sell and certain things. Where the money there? Where the money there?
This is one of the reasons why I have to leave here, you know? Because I can't deal with people like a Uno. My spirit cannot. God now come around me with people like a Uno. So that's why me have to move.
Yeah.
As you see how you're coming at me now?
Yeah.
This is utter rankness, you know.
Yeah, but we have to know what go on because you can't go leave and we don't know what go on. Because remember, say things sell and things, whatever, when I hear nothing about that. So right now, I want to know how that go. That part other things. Yeah, Jim Screech and I leave it. We need to know what go on.
As a matter of fact, I told you already, when I went to convention in Trelawney, I parked the bus outside. And when I come out, I saw the empty spot. I did not sell any bus, and I did not steal a bus.
You know what? Me hear from good source. Said that the bus there, they are Clarendon. I run tours, a school picnic. You understand? So you hear what happen now? You see, in the church, you investigate and find out what go on. I'm sorry for you, dog. You mess up a pastor.
You know what, Deacon Wasso? If I was the same person that I was before I turned pastor, you could not stand in front of me and talk to me like this, you know. I wasn't a 87 back then, you know. I was a 95. So you could never stand in front of me like this and talk to me. But you say because I'm a changed man and I'm doing God's work, I'm just gonna go about my business. Because I say you and the rest of them people here, you know, me keep my mouth.
Look here, Father, remember, you know, what me have to tell you, you know. When Jesus go, you know, Jesus bring two with him, a murderer and he bring a thief. You pick out your which one. You. Go along.
Me pick up me a wish.
Pick out which one, here? Go along. All right.
All right, Sister Jones. Let's just say, aye. Yeah, man, Sister Jones up there. You see me? Closely in the community. I think Richard's still over there, so you know. Him not so 100 pan him brain. Him slow a little bit, but no matter pay him no mind, you see, Pastor. And Sister Edna have one little thief in Picnic over there, so he live. You know what I pay them no mind either. So we are carrying come here. Sister Baker, man. Like we catch you up on the right time. How you doing, sister?
I'm fine.
Yes, sister. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Oh, yes, man. I see you looking lovely as always. Aye. All right. So remember, me did tell you, say, we have the new pastor coming. Well, he is here. Pastor. Pardon me, French. Father Dipo. Sister Baker. Father Dipo.
Father Dipon.
Yes, man. She this is an upstanding citizen in the church, you see, in the community and all around. Trust me, when me tell her say she is very reliable. Very, very reliable. Yes, I think it is even good. And a great idea to make her the treasurer for the church because she knows very well how to handle money. Trust me, I know. When you, in your absence, she was the person holding down the fort. Me and she holding down the fort. Yes? So, yeah, are recommending her for that position.
Well, as Brother Bacchus say is vouching for you, I will take his word for it. Because we don't want to give the cheese to the rat. You understand? So we need trustworthy people to deal with the financial aspect of the church. Because what we're trying to do, you know, we're trying to build back the community.
Yes.
So we need the love of the people, and the church and the community must live together, right?
Yeah.
So we're trying to bring it back together. That is what we're trying to do, right? We're gonna have a wonderful, because we are trying to build the members them. So we're gonna have a wonderful time and a wonderful year this year. And we have Sports Day coming up next year, you know, and we have a rally coming up in December. So we have to prepare for that. All right. So I'll see you in
My next one I go.
So I'll see you in church on Sunday, all right? So it was a pleasure meeting you again, Sister Baker.
So I mean, I shake my hand. All right. Let us go further down, Papa.
And to tell you the truth, I have nothing to do with this, all right? And you don't want, it's me alone, see how short Sister Baker dresses? Eh? I wonder if she coming from over her yard and she not have no iron over there. When we see, when we be the judge, when we see what I want, just continue to watch, all right? Continue.
Sister Pat, lovely, lovely lady. Let me tell you about Sister Pat. Sister Tracy, yeah, that's better. You see the community on a whole, a beautiful community. Pastor, are the best community, it's the best church. May I tell you, say, no mix up on the things that don't go on in the church. But, you know, I'm going to introduce you to Priscilla. Yes, this is the one we're going to check right now. I want to convince her to come into the church, Pastor. I want you to convince her. She have a beautiful voice, but she just refuse. But probably knows like why you are the new pastor. You might can just, give her a little word of encouragement and get her to come talk to me. Brother James live right across from her. She don't know, as me say, closely knit community. Sister Priscilla. Sister Priscilla. You're cleaning as always. Come here, man, let I introduce you to our new pastor. Very clean lady. Yeah, man. Very, very clean.
I can see that, man. I can see that.
Very clean lady. Hi. Yes, man. Sister Priscilla, let me first and formally introduce you. I'm going to run and I'm introducing the new pastor to everybody. Because you don't know me know where everybody live already. But I tell him, say, you are not yet saved. And I hope, say, he can come in and actually just convince you to come serve the Lord as we all do. Yes? Now, without further ado, Sister Priscilla, let me introduce you to Pastor Dippo.
It's not Pastor Dippo, it's Father Dippo. All right? Pastors is for the commoners.
My sincerest apologies.
It's okay. So, Sister Priscilla, why you not saved?
You know, so one time I did a plan to say about me, no, but that. Because too much hypocrite and backbiter.
Hey! Sister Priscilla, man. This is not the time nor the place for that. The man ask you why you not saved. Leave church business out of this, Sister Priscilla. Him just come. No matter pressure he is.
I understand the frustrations.
Listen to me. You see the type of job we me do? Me couldn't plan to save it. Me can't save it, sir.
Sister Priscilla, I heard good things about you, you know. I heard you have a very angelic voice. I don't mind you bless us with some of your kind words.
Pastor. Oh, Father Dippo.
Yes.
Me cannot sing, sir.
Well,
Hey! The devil is a liar.
You see that throat here? Full of cockroach. But if you know you carry one big and for spray it for me, maybe you can sing. Me can't sing.
well, I don't like how you sound so about yourself. Just bless us with some words. It's
Father Dippo.
it's not the voice, in it, just the words.
Okay, since as you insist. I wish song you want me to sing, sir, but me go sing in a one different way. Maybe you don't understand the language yet.
I mean, you're the artist. Just bless us with any one of the kind.
Just sing, no sister.
All right. All right,
right, sister.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
God.
That was lovely. I just need to put little more words to it, and then we're gonna have choir practice maybe on a Tuesday. So on a Tuesday we can just adjust your voice for you. But that was beautiful,
hypocrite
Sister
then.
Priscilla. That was beautiful. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So we're gonna run. All right.
All right. Later.
Uno see that, hey, people, uno see that dirty deacon, Mr. Bacchus. I will never say deacon Bacchus. Me's not him church member. People no look him is a dirty, nasty hypocrite. But him care new pastor come to me and they come invite me. Invite me? Lord Jesus. Figure get baptized. The whole of them are hypocrite in the church. Oh, Tada. A pity uno no know say. You have one thief in dry head, twin brother. Wicked, but me can't sing. All hypocrite. Hypocrite. He knows say me can't sing. And still gonna tell new pastor about me can't sing. Come here, come fish me. Because hypocrite. Uno look. Uno we see what happened to me in the church. The whole of them are there with them one another. Me know say me can't sing and care people come on me yard. What a mighty God we serve. What a mighty God we serve. When God hits you. How kind of conversation you a false person. Uno and pastor sit down at all night church about people. So this uno involve me in there.
So we now what the conversation with them, we just have a casual
With
talk.
me? Me never did it.
We not talk about you, miss. We just have a casual talk after lunch.
So
Just
why the
sit.
pastor have to talk about me?
Well, him tell me to come and tell you.
Listen to me. Pastor feel saying holier than everybody sit down in the pew. Me go to church, we go change my life. Listen what the Bible say. Come as you are, render your heart but not your garment. My clothes short, so me wear ties to pastor and the rest of church brother they no look under me.
Well, I need to close the legs then when you're in church.
How about you then legs close up? Listen to me. A church you go, or you go figure mind people business.
Oh, boy.
You have time to talk about me. Who to tell if pastor tell us so? Why pastor never come to me himself and say that to me? Eh?
As I said before, we were sitting and having a meeting.
Meeting about me. I something special to Uno and important. Listen to me. Me know why you behave so. Me know why you they behave so. Sister Baker, are you me the talk? Look for me now and me the talk to you. Me know why you they behave like this and don't in me this a go on and a go on. But you and pastor talk about me and my tights. What happened to me tights? What happened to me tights? Me see why you going so. A long time me they hear the news are growing about you and the pastor when me they sit down listen to like he holy.
Which news?
Listen to me, man. You see that same pastor there where we are going church and I sit down and I go on like I say, he holier than we? Eh? He man no pastor like that. He not that holy. I'm here say you and him there for a long time. I told me not say nothing. Okay. No, me know why you say to me because the pastor not tell us all. Think you think say me. Want the pastor?
Calm down. Calm down, Sister Priscilla. It's not what you think. It's nothing like that. Listen, we're not in a relationship. We're not there. We're not in a relationship. We're not there. The only thing is that we're just courting each other. Matter of fact, I'm not even know if we're going to get married.
Court. I just quote to now quote.
That's what I said.
You see that the pastor there, me hear about him long time. Me might not know him like that, because me just come out to the church, but he look like I say me know him more than you, where you say they quote him. That the pastor there now buy no pussy in no bag. You think I first somebody in court? The amount of people in court. He can't count, he countless.
Well,
so
I
if
am
you
tell-
think say,
I am telling
him
you,
a go just come married, shut up. You think say, you go to church long time, me just a come, me change one day.
Sister Priscilla, we're not having sex. I am telling you, we're not having sex.
You know, Avu?
We're not having sex.
You're not having sex.
No.
So you feel say me an idiot. To me just at church. To me just I just come to the church. You feel say me an idiot. Me no know what go on. You see what you no know? Older than you. Enough things where they do. The whole church know because they not go come mention it to you.
Not hiding anything. I am telling you the truth. We're not having sex.
Anyway, Sister Baker, you say you and him not have sex.
That's what I said.
Well, you not really concerned about that too. You and your pastor up in my life, both tights and one if a sitting. And my mind tell me say a lie they tell you now. Because, listen,
Sister Priscilla,
what?
we are not having sex, and that's final.
You
But
realize,
not evil kiss.
you realize that every time me I try to talk to you about the pastor or you try to cut my conversation because your conscience I kill you.
I'm listening.
Listen to me. I don't care about you and your pastor, whether you want to have sex or not, because me no come here to mind people business. Me come to change my life and be a different person. Me no come in a church to come watch people, chat them when they have on and chat how they look, how they talk or how they behave. Me know whole if I in a church a hypocrite. And when they put no mouth for sinners out there. You see, same like how you feel say God change you, you know feel say God can change me too. Leave me and my tights alone, lady. Me, a matter of fact, since me come in the church, you see, and nobody invite me there, you know, and me want to change and make up my mind to come there. And since we come there, I realize some of them look for people too hard, and they go on like, bullying there, we don't know I don't know say nothing to me, but God,
Right.
you know what you say behind me. I want to know, take me from God church, you know, and when me have a eat me there where. You're lucky, all you and pastor they talk about tights. You're lucky, say no one body rider me wear. You're all right in one belly skin.
Sister Priscilla?
Awa. What is it?
All right. Okay.
Let me ask you something. When you just start God church, you see, it's the best outfit you have in you have when you wear God church. Well, when me have it, me have to wear.
I've never worn tights before to church.
You never wear tights God church yet?
No.
Well, me not have no dress or tights me have to wear. Well, you and pastor, please me, I beg you to buy some church dress give me, because me not none. You know want me change? Eh? Buy some clothes give me and make me stop wear them here. And when me have, then say, come as you are. And me they come see me on me turn.
You know, Deacon Bacchus, I don't know if you notice, Sister Priscilla attire. You see what she wear come to church today?
Sister Priscilla. I wish for she this sitting again, Pastor.
If I'm not lie, she's sitting in the second row, the first row.
The first row. Oh, okay. What you say about her, Father?
She was sitting there. I don't know if you saw what I'm talking about. You know?
See what, Father?
Why them say sometimes some things come and test the spirit, you see. But what I'm talking about, I don't know if you see it, if it's just me alone see it. I don't know if I should even say this to you.
Them Father no me a reason. Things good.
Sister Priscilla have on a tie, showing up the whole of her vagina. You never see it?
Me, Pastor. Me never see nothing the whole time and you alone me a focus on. The deliverance of the word was so nice. I never see nothing.
Listen, she have on a tie, so where she print out and I told Sister Baker that to tell her that I don't want those kind of dresses in my church. Because it's distracting, man.
I can understand, Pastor. Father, I see what you say. But me never see what you talk about still. Me did just a focus car. He did I deliver the word, and the word was good, and the word was God. Somebody that listen to what you said.
Like,
But that being said, Pastor, me have something else I want to ask you about. You see, you know me is a very faithful person in the church. I mean, a very, very honest member. And Pastor, me not tell a lie. A long time, I know say, yeah, Miss Baker been quoting, you know. Yes, man. Yeah, Miss Baker been quoting, Pastor. And I don't understand how comes you don't put on no ring on the finger yet, because you're the head of the church, you know, good to head of the church, not married. You have to have the ring on the finger, Pastor. It don't look good because you we are follow, you know. And you're not married. You have to married, sir.
Deacon Bacchus, listen. I understand what you're saying, you know. But I might look on life a little bit different.
Hey.
I'm not the one that believes I should just rush and just marry. No, I can't just rush and get married. You understand? I have to get to know Sister Baker some more and
But
and-
you know,
and-
quote so long.
yes, we're courting, but we're not even having sex. We're just going through that phase. We're not even having sex.
Pastor, what you say?
As I'm saying, when I'm getting married, I'm getting married one time and that's it.
Father. Father Dipo. You are not only my pastor, you know. I would consider you to be a friend of mine. We are brothers in the Lord. And I feel like if I say something to you right here, so it can stay right here, so between us as men.
Of course.
Personally, I don't think you feel married pussy in a bag.
Then what is trying to say, Mr.
Me
Bach?
just no feel like you feel get something and your eye them blind. You know, you feel see around the corner before you step around the corner.
So, hold on, what you trying to say?
I mean, no other ways to say this in the past. I feel you should have sampled the product.
I think I'm gonna pray about it and see if this is what the Lord with his want for me.
Say, God not talk to you yet.
Brother Bacchus! Brother Bacchus!
Pastor, what you doing here? I almost not answer you, you know. It's not brother no Bacchus, it's brother Bacchus. Sir, respectfully.
I'm looking for Brother Bacchus. Is he here?
What do you mean, Pastor? Who you are
Brother
looking for?
Bacchus. Bacchus.
But it's me. Oh, sorry, the pastor. Hold on. Peace and peace, Pastor. You caught me, you know. See, I don't even know who you're looking for. Yes, Pastor. Sorry about that, man.
Oh, hey, you're frightening me there a minute, you know. Boy, you see what God create man to do? God create man and create you here so you can change it whenever you feel like. I could never recognize you just a while ago, you know, sir.
Father Dipo, I don't appreciate you coming here making fun of my hair, you know, sir.
No, sir. Pardon me, long. I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but the main thing I come here about is I'm looking somewhere to rent. If you know any apartment or any place that has vacancy, that would suit my needs.
Where you look for go, Pastor? I hope you want to move in here, sir.
Come on, Brother Bacchus. Why would I move come here? The reason why I'm looking for a place is I don't like the church cottage that they're giving me. I don't like it.
So what is the problem, sir? You want? Wait. You want to get an apartment for yourself?
Right, I like my privacy. As a man of my status and pedigree, I like my own privacy. I don't like people in my business. I don't like unexpected visit. And the cottage that them give me, it they right in at the church. So by the time if you done pray and say if you go change and come back, people could come on me and reach us already, and I don't like that.
I understand.
When I done pray, I like to have my own self.
I understand where you're going. You know, I know a place. What's that gentleman's name again, man? I can't remember his name, but I can take you there. I know exactly where it is, and it is a nice studio apartment. Give me a minute. Here, Pastor.
All right.
Let me sort out and you can just have a seat underneath a tree. I'm gonna put on something.
Sis, just fix your wig. Put your head good. See you left a little something there.
Pastor. So, Pastor Bacchus, I was going to change, but I don't want to keep my father waiting. So, I'm just going to take it right down there. How you find me at? Well, I asked two questions and yo. Yeah. This is the place I've been telling you about. Is the place look nice?
Yes, sir. Afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Amado.
Yeah, man.
How you doing?
Yeah, how may I be of assistance?
Well, you don't know my name, you know. Mr. Bacchus. Yes, Deacon Bacchus from the church. So we have a new member. He's a new pastor coming into the community, and he said he would like to rent out a space up in your place.
Yeah, man, we do have rooms available, and it's a good thing that you bring a fellow churchman.
Yes, man.
Because our apartment here, we like to rent to decent citizens, not anybody.
No,
you know,
correct.
we don't want any scammers and those type of people to be renting the apartment. So it's good that you bring a fellow
Yeah, man.
man of God.
Pastor Dipo.
Yeah.
Quick question though. How many rooms you have available?
Well, I mean, the downstairs is already, the entire bottom floor is already rent out, you know, but we have mostly upstairs available.
All right, because, you know, as a man of my status and my pedigree, I would like to ensure that I don't have no neighbors because I don't like disturbance. So if I can get like at least the whole of the top floor for myself, if it's available, don't worry about it, man. The church money will compensate.
Okay, well, you know, it's kind of pretty hefty, you know, because it's a fairly new apartment and it's not cheap. Each one of the rooms is $50,000 for each one of the studio apartments.
50,000?
Yeah, 50,000. So if you want the entire top section, it's going to be pretty hefty.
Because as a man of my status, I think I work hard. And in the house of the Lord, I really work hard. And I don't see why when I done preach, I can't come somewhere that's very comfortable.
All right, no problem. So I'll ensure, because we have a few little things to iron out upstairs. So we're going to put them in place. And when next time you come back, you just pay the first and last month rent, because we don't take only 1 month, we take first and last.
No problem,
just
no
take
problem, man. No problem, no problem. It was nice meeting you again, Mr. Malawu, all right?
Yeah.
It was a very nice meeting.
All right. Thank you, Brother Bacchus. So I'll see you. And here, take my number. Take my number.
All right, I don't have my phone on me. But
Yeah.
Another thing. I noticed when I was coming in, I saw some woodlums out by the front here. I don't know if this is a place that's troubled by woodlums.
No. This is a very good community, and maybe it's passing by because we don't facilitate hoodlums on the scheme.
Okay, good. Very good. I don't like when I'm at my place and I hear arguments with my neighbors.
No, man, this is quite a good neighborhood.
Okay.
Don't worry yourself. So you guys don't have any phone on you, and I leave my phone on charge. So here's what you do. I am here most of the day, so once you come and call me, I am available. All right?
Yeah, man, no problem, man. Thank you.
All right, and yeah, man. Thank you for coming.
It's a very nice place, you know. What you think?
All of the rooms, them, sir?
Yes, man, all of them, man. I deserve it. But it's a very nice place. Come on, let's go. I like it.
So where you go get the money there, sir?
Listen, you think when I'm preaching and working out, I'm not doing God's work?
Brother Malawu, it's Pastor Jogboy here.
Oh,
What you doing, man?
what going, Pastor? Our breeze blow your ear, so.
I get to understand that I'm not seeing you in church from the other day. And that is quite unlike you. So, I was passing by and I decided, I'll come by and find out what is the problem.
Pastor, you want to know, say, there's a bag of things that go on in the apartment. You know, me so new tenant did move in and me have to assist them to get settled in. So that's why you don't see me at church from when, man.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
Oh, boy. Thank God for social media, It's 3 consecutive times I saw you down by the Clapham Church, on Facebook,
Oh, that, Pastor.
Oh,
Yeah, man. All right, to tell you the truth, apart from the new tenant them moving, two of my friend baby them did I get christened and they invite me just to come my christening. You understand? That's just me don't like in church, man. Cause me not too like it Clapham Church either,
Okay, so that christening service lasts for 3 weeks. 3 consecutive weeks. Then christen one baby. I don't understand that. Come on.
Pastor. You don't understand. You know you don't really got in church. I'm gonna tell you what going on. A baby never did stay still and she just did move up and down. So they have to continually put off for Christine. So end up for 3 weeks.
Mr. Malawu, sorry. Pardon me, Mr. Malawu. I've been having some problem with the sink, and the hot water. It's not coming in from about 2 weeks now. I don't mind if you could take a look at it for me, you see?
Just the one I've been looking for. Boy, the man went to church. While mine getting so scanty. Pastor Dipper.
Excuse me, sir. I don't quite know who are you, but it's not Pastor Dipper. It's Father Dipper. Yeah?
You see why these things can't work properly because we are trying to run down the world, But I have a little concern. This is one of my members right here. This is my future deacon, sir. Right? I understand that some stuff been going on down by your church that been, it's quite attractive to my members. Put it this way. Pastor Dipper, no disrespect. You're a thief. You're a thief, remember them. You understand what I'm saying? And the Bible said, thou shalt not what? You're supposed to know. Thou shalt not what?
Excuse me, I didn't get your name. You see, before you address me, a man of my stature, you should look into the mirror before you come and speak to me, because you say you're a pastor with a pants like that. And this is how you're approaching me. If your member, them, or any one of your members from your church see it fit to come to my church, it's quite clear, obviously, that I'm doing something good done by my church. And you need to take a look into yourself.
Mr. Father Dipper, don't let my pants be a problem to you, Look here. The Bible says you must what? Come and say what? What the Bible says you must do what?
Which part in the Bible tell you that?
Oh. So, what you done that teach them, say? Me not forget this. I don't even want to get there. Me just want to find out what keep them down there, what hold them down there, sir.
You know what?
You don't seem to know what going on this.
You know what, Mr. Malawu? As I said before, I'm gonna go away, but I need the sink and the hot water to be looked at, all right? Because I'm not gonna stand here and be insulted verbally by any common pastor. I am not no common pastor. I'm a father. As I said before, I'm a father. And only time
respectable pastor in the community. You styling me as commoner.
As I said, Mr. Malawu, only time them church full is only when somebody dead or some kind of gathering are going on there. Nobody now got them church. So I'm not gonna stand here as a man of my stature and my.
Yourself so with me and
I'll see you. See, I'll see you, Mr. Malawu.
All right. Brother, man.
Who him a rank himself with? Him know me?
Pastor, if I tell you the truth.
No, sir. I disrespect that, you know.
Me understand, Pastor, but if I tell you the truth.
This who me come over here come look for. Him or you?
Here what I want, Pastor, if I tell you the truth. A 5-room you rent up there, you know. A 5-room you rent, so I can't really disrespect him.
I don't rent out the whole up there. Me know you long time. You know me long time before him. Remember when your wife couldn't get pregnant? I mean, lay a hand on her. Remember when you have the erection problem? I don't want to talk too long. Remember when you have them problem there? Who is it who pray for you? Who pray for you?
Pastor.
Is who pray for you?
Are you pray for me, Pastor? I'm sorry about everything you happened. All right. Me make sure so next Sunday me at church. Early, bright and early.
Listen to me, man. Church I get scanty, you know.
All right, I may receive me talk to a couple of members
And
and then come back.
so scanty to me, no understand. Just do what you need to do, man. Because it has stressed me, you know.
All right, Pastor. Me ensure so me talk to a couple of them and make them come back at church. All right?
And this ranking pastor I can't tell me about when funeral I keep up on my church when it's time up there wrong. You know, so that boy Malawu there is a backstabber. That boy is not a good boy. You mean to say, me come by his house and he make that little ranking pastor boy they style me. But me nah lie still, him talk facts still because it's when Sister Diana Muir died, you know. Me get a little crowd and make a little food. Well, me nah call it food still because it's sound weird. So you see that little ranking pastor boy there? I go and show him something because them boy don't know pastor for me, you know. I school him go, you know. Me a genuine pastor, you know. You see me? Me no go to school for pastoring. Him go to school. And him have something down the way I use all the people, but I go and expose him. You watch me and him.
I heard he was looking for me.
Yes, Pastor. Me I walk all along and me I look for you. You know, say, me have a death in my family. My cousin dead. Him kill him last night. Gunman.
It's not Pastor Dippo, it's Father. Pastors is for the commoners, right?
Okay.
But my deepest condolences to you and your family, right? But how may I help you though?
Really and truly, you know, so me hear about you though. That's why me I walk and look for you because me just want to get this sort out and done with.
All right, so is that firstly, I don't like funerals. You see? I'm ensure I tell my members not to die. Even if they're dying to die in a certain way that I don't come to their funerals. But I don't like funerals.
But you can't stop that.
No, the thing is, you know, at my church, I don't want no funerals at my church.
Why not?
Because I don't like, I like to celebrate the living. I like
What
living
you know?
happy.
I'm not free, you know, I pay, you know.
I understand.
So
that
I can't squeeze and look a thing upon you same way.
I'm sorry, I'm not that type of a pastor where you squeeze something.
Can't squeeze a thing upon you, man. Stop going some man.
Well, I don't take monetary bribe, you know. I'm not that type of a pastor, right? As I said before, I don't like funerals at my church or stuff like that.
So, Pastor, our Father, whatever you call yourself, you can ask you a question. Are you married?
No, I'm not. Unfortunately, I'm not married.
You're single?
I'm single. Yes.
You're single too, you know? Single too.
You know what? I didn't get your name.
I'm Venus.
Venus. I can recommend it to another pastor down by the road there. You see, because I don't do those type of stuff at my church. As I said before, I don't do funerals, and I'm.
Thank you very much. But what you know? Remember, say we have unfinished business.
Unfinished.
All right? Yeah. And me alone saw the pastor look for me. You know, sister, he was all distracted. All my breast him get distracted by. Well, me now worry still. Me check the pastor down the road. The pastor will start out my thing. name Pastor Jumper?
Yes, man. It's me. How are you? Don't know why you don't know me.
You take so long to answer me like I wonder what to say.
Talk about because I'm the famous Pastor Jugba. I can't believe that there's anyone living in the community that doesn't know me.
In a way, see me have had it in my family though because of Japan and I want to know what the procedure for you so. I want to get him buried here. You know?
My dear child. There's a rumor going around, you know. That is beer dead I bury at my church. Boy, all right. Your face look familiar, you know. And are you Sister Carol niece?
Exactly.
Oh, okay,
Exactly.
yeah, I tell you,
Yeah.
Yes. But careful of the clothes that you wear on the road.
You know, matter the clothes thing, I just want to get this thing sorted out, you know? Yeah, done with.
Right.
So you don't matter the clothes. So, I should pastor, so like how you know me. I'm tell you, say, I bury my cousin. So you can give me a reasonable price.
Yeah, man, members are different, you know. You understand?
I'm like, oh, that's all. That's true.
You are not a member, you know, Sister Carol. And you live in the community and you're not coming to the church. You understand?
One of them tiny man pastor, one of them Sunday me out come.
Come to church. you
Yeah.
come to church.
I like how that sounds still.
The young people them around here, you know, them are straight. So we need to pull them in. You understand what I say?
When I Sunday them man, when I Sunday. Next Sunday me I come. No worries, sir. Yeah man, next Sunday.
All right, you have to give me the details and the information regarding when and when. You know that I go cost you a bit.
So pastor, how much you go charge me now?
You know, as a pastor, you know, I like mention money to people, you know, especially you have somebody that some relative that attend my church. But remember, you know, the musician, electricity bill have to take care of. You understand? And we have to buy tissue and all of them stuff like persons that come and want to use the bathroom and stuff like that. So, what I can do, I can't concrete a date right now. But take my number.
No, I never walk on my phone. I leave it at charge, but we can't hear mine still.
I'm gonna take your number and
Yeah.
ring you. You get my number and you can check
Yeah man,
me
no
out
problem.
1 o'clock tomorrow. Tell me your number. 876 first, right?
Yeah, 502
Hold on. 502, yes?
1825.
1825.
All right. I like how your son still no pastor. Because you know, say, I link one pastor up the road this morning and him guilty of something, you know, but him not talk my language. You don't know about, you know.
Pastor,
Thanks again.
I can't bet you so.
You sure?
But you see, them pastor, you know, you have to understand with them. You have to see with them as well because them go to school.
Oh. So you never go to school?
No, man, we are choosing.
Okay.
Yeah, so, you know, so my role in the community.
No, you know.
Easy and calm. You understand?
Okay.
Them have to fussy up for themselves. You know, do them something.
Okay.
You say I come Sunday. So
Yes, man.
you will see how me deal with things. You understand what I said?
Definitely.
Yeah, man,
Definitely.
I'm going to ring you. So you get my
Yeah, because my phone is on charge, you know. So I go home, I go see Miss Carl and
Yeah,
me get back to you.
54. And I'll be here in the office at 1 tomorrow. So you can check me.
All right, no problem.
All right. So
Nice meeting you.
Yes, nice to meet you. And wear something better.
No problem, no problem.
You know,
Even though them say come as they are, but no problem.
But you know, people stay on all of them things. You understand what I said? Them going to say pastor this and pastor that.
All right.
Hey, look here now. Make sure you're coming now. Let me tell you something, you see? You see, in the time of grief, you don't do them, you don't do them something there. I know which pastor I'm talking, you know. And who know too, you know. Who know. So nobody go on like who don't know. You understand? But you see me now, I go and continue to work and do my work genuinely. So this community, I bet you all of them left down at the church and come up and something. I bet you. Me I give them 1 month. 1 day month me I give them. Watch and see.